Welcome to Shai Hills, guys.
Good morning,
guys. Send your hand so close.
Yeah, don't.
You can text you.
Eh.
Of our honey, she lived her whole life in Belgium. And she used to serve as an intermediate. And look at them. There they are. Some of them. Good afternoon. Hello. But this is the entrance. As you can see, it tells you welcome to Shai Hills Resource Reserve. And it was an amazing experience. I would definitely say when you come to Ghana, make your way towards Shai Hills to see all the beautiful animals, the reserve, the nature, and all the beautiful Ghana for you. Welcome to Ghana. Morning, guys. So today is Tuesday, and we are going on a trip. We are going to Shai Hills, then we go to Boti Waterfalls.
Yeah.
But before that, obviously, it's early in the morning, so we are going to have breakfast. And what do you think we are going to have?
Wache.
We are going to have hot wache.
Yeah.
Before we head towards
So let's take you there.
Shai Hills. So let's go. Are you going to order?
Here's the wache joint. Good morning. So we are here to buy the wache, and we are at the wache joint. This is the woman who is going to serve us. The leaf. What meat do you like? Do you want the fish or what do you want?
No, I don't like meat.
You don't like meat, you don't like fish.
How do I do, guys?
Are you doing so? Here we are about to get the food, and here in Ghana we call this a wache. I mean, come to Africa, come to Ghana, and taste the best meal, right? Come and see how we go about it. Plantain, so on per fish and fish, right?
No, I don't like.
You get just the egg and the plantain. So on it.
No, I'm
So he wants a morning 10 cedis. Yeah, watch it 10 cedis. Cocoa. No money egg back.
Our car down there, the white car.
With Ku-Vite. So we are ready to take our food. Here is mine. How do you feel?
Guys, so we finished eating the wache, and I think that was the best wache I've ever tried. It was amazing, and I think you will not even get this type of flavor if you go to like proper restaurants and things. And yeah, the
ghetto is always the ghetto, you know what it is.
Ghetto wache is the best. So yeah, we finished that, and now we are on our way going to Shai Hills
and Boti Waterfalls.
Then we go to
our routine for today.
Yes, we go to the Boti Waterfalls.
So in partnership with Ku-Vite and Francisca Travels, we are going to tell you why you should come to Ghana. We're going to show you why Africa is the place you have to always visit. So we're going to give you what you need, and you're going to come to Africa, come to Ghana. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you updated. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Francisca AK. Also, make sure to check my TikTok page and my Instagram. Follow me because I'm going to post a lot of updates there. And yeah, stay tuned.
So we are here at Shai Hills, and the funny thing that it's raining. Yeah. So. All right. Thank you.
Guys, it's raining. I mean, I checked the weather forecast, and it said that it's going to rain all this week. But we were really hoping that it wouldn't rain
We are here
today.
with some of the baboons. You're over there. Go check them.
Where?
They're the one sitting there.
Alright, hey, are they real?
They are real. Pushing his eyes, can't you see?
Yeah, I'm scared though. Hey,
raining,
they
so-
are free like that.
Yeah, it's raining, so they are hiding.
Yeah, guys, so how are we going to do? What are we going to do?
We are going to do the do.
It's raining. And obviously, here is a forest, so like, oh, gosh. So we are at the Shai Hills, and we're about to go on the tour. I'm just excited. It's just the weather that is just doing itself, but but it's still nice. Yeah, there are all the baboons. When we came here, all the baboons were here at the entrance.
Over there.
You can see two of them there, and then look at them. There they are. Some of them are there. Some of them, they went in that area. But yeah.
Sorry, your name is
Patro Francisca.
Francis.
And you are Jessica.
Hey, Jesse, you're going to get married then.
Hey.
So we have.
Patro, so bad video, no, it's okay for you.
Yeah.
Our tour guide, you want to introduce yourself?
My name is Jessica.
Welcome, Jessica. So Jessica is going to take us on the tour today. So stay tuned and
What?
have a lovely shop.
Oh my God, my shoes.
Not similar. They move in groups or heads.
Yeah.
Well, at least they came out now.
Yeah.
Very fast. They can't fly, but they run very fast. They can run about 70 kilometers per hour. Yeah. And then when they are running, they spread out their wings, which maintains a balance so it doesn't fall. Yeah. It's alright. Lions.
Lions, they
Yeah.
can eat.
They eat. And that's not like their favorite. Their favorite is the zebra. Lion.
Zebra, lion.
Send your hand too close.
Yeah, don't.
You can peck you.
Eh.
Somebody's calling you.
What's the message?
Just
Good afternoon. Hello.
Even someone.
5th of November 1971. So when it was a forest reserve, the whole area was about 46 square kilometers. As it stands now, it's now 51 square kilometers. That's the whole area. Very quite big. So about 1,000 years ago, 1,000 years ago, we had some people who used to live in this reserve. They were known as the Shai people. They migrated from Nigeria, a place called Ile-Ife. So the Shai people walked on foot, settled at different places, so they finally came here to settle finally. And when they got here, 4 tribes occupied 4 different caves and then 1 cultural site. I'll be taking you to one of the hills they occupied back then. So we have the Sayo cave, which used to be their chief's palace. And then we have the Mogul Hill, where I'll be taking you next. The Mogul Hill was where they camped and then trained them on how to take care of the home when they get married, how to take care of their husbands when they get married. So basically the puberty rite was done there. We have the other hill, which is Kiaweyo, Ajuku, and then Manya, also hunter-gatherers. They were hunters. And they loved to make poultries and then bees as well. They were right back then. So we have the Sayo Cave, which used to be their chief's palace. And then we have the Mogul Hill, where I'll be taking you next. The Mogul Hill was where they come young virgin girls who had come of age. They come them there for a period of 6 months and then train them on how to take care of a home when they get married, how to take care of their husbands when they get married. So basically the puberty rite was done there. We have the other hills, which is Kiaweyo, Ajuku, and then Manya, also used to be their hideouts and even their shrines. The said people were hunter-gatherers. They were hunters, and they loved to make poultries and then bees as well. They were here till the and then the hills. The hills they were in when they came there. And then the two roofing, that roofing, and then that roofing in the form of like wings represents the bird species that in the roofing. Oh, mosquitoes?
Oh, just a few.
Yeah. Wow. Slopes we have in this reserve, the antelope species, and then the so these are real skins or skulls of animals. Some we have here, some we do not have here. The ones we don't have here, we also advertise other parks too as well. So how come we have the ones we don't have here? So we tell you where you go and then you see them. This one here, who can guess? Yes. Oh, wow. You guess that so easily because a lot of stories do find it difficult. Be like, what is this? Hippo? Is it? Yes. So this is the skull of the elephant. The elephant skull. Where you go to Mole National Park. That is in the northern region. Yes. So this is the lower jaw of a matured elephant. This lower jaw belongs to the baby elephant. Yeah. And this is the thigh bone of the baby elephant. Baby. And this is the skull of the hippo. The hippopotamus. And this here belongs to the Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile. You know we have the Nile River. This particular one was found and studied extensively in the River Nile. Yeah. So this is the lower jaw of a matured elephant. This lower jaw belongs to the baby elephant. Yeah. And this is the thigh bone of the baby elephant. Baby. And this is the skull of the hippo. The hippopotamus. And this here belongs to the Nile crocodile. The Nile crocodile. You know we have the Nile River. This particular one was found and studied extensively in the River Nile. So it's named after the river, the Nile River. And then the baboons we have here are the olive baboon. Here is the civet cat. It's one of the wild nocturnal cats we have here. Yes, they come out at night, very active. And this is the cover. This is what we are likely to see when we go inside. And the way you don't see them, don't be too bothered because they are like the baboons, they are not in a cage. So they come out as and when they want to. Yeah. And there's also another wild nocturnal cat we have here called the serval cat. It's real, everything is real except the eyes. That's how the only fake things. When you look down here, you can see some bags made from the skins of crocodiles. And this here, looking like the serval cat right here. So these bags were actually seized from people selling. And then we put them here to advise you as tourists not to buy. You know, people love to own bags made from the skins of animals, which is not really a and even eggs. And then when the British came, they gave them these ones. and took some of their valuable items like their gold and then their minerals. Like, so the British were using these for like barter trading, basically. And you see, you cannot blame them because back then we didn't really know the value of the gold like that. So imagine you were using something like this to cook and then you get this. Wouldn't you trade it for something? Definitely. Even now we're not even seeing the gold anymore. Yes. So
They've taken it
up
all.
the hill, we will see some oval shapes. These things were all mode of communication back in the day. Let's say you enter a cave back then, or you go somewhere and then you see snakes around. In order to create awareness or make it very easier for everyone, you can mold clay in the form of a snake like this, put it at the entrance of the cave to warn others to be careful, we have snakes there. No one had time to stand in front of a cave 247. And then when you are coming, I'll be like, please don't go here, please don't go here. So to make it simple for you, they come here to conduct a research. Then whatever broken piece they are able to excavate, they use what we call radiocarbon dating to find the actual age of each broken piece. That is for like the educational side, for fun too. Some students decide to write their names or even their initials on it just to prove coffee found this or Amma found this. But this is here for you, our tourists, to have a feel of how they did their work when they came here.
So what is the oldest one that you have found?
The oldest one,
1,000 years ago?
about 700 years ago.
700 years
Yes.
ago.
Wow.
And this old lady right here, Her Holy Highness, she's not called Her Holy Highness Goddess of Faith. Because she offered honey, she lived her whole life in virgin. And she used to serve as an intermediator between the people and the gods.
This one, yeah.
From the video is so
It's an island.
actually so original.
Oh, bruh, anyway, you come here. like this. So the thing. No, it's like when you go down.
Yeah.
That's the middle.
I don't know if they can see.
We are about to start the hike, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So come with us. It's quite hot, but it's not too bad because it's rain. So yeah, stay tuned.
Hold them up. Oh, so it's step by step.
Yeah.
We go.
Who would like to go first? So it's going first.
What is it? Put your phone in your pocket.
You didn't tell me it was this.
Don't worry, it won't snap.
I trust the rope.
Okay.
You see how she did?
So how are you going to do it?
You can look.
I will. Don't worry.
So stay on your right. On your right.
Yes,
My right. Yes. Okay.
Ladies first. The men will join.
A video.
I'm sorry, it is.
Can I go that way?
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
So how do we come back? Oh, another way.
Coming down is harder than going up.
No, please use the rope.
Yeah. Oh, use the rope. Yeah. Maybe this the right side.
Yeah, but you two, you made it look so easy.
It's actually dragging me.
Welcome to Shai Hills, guys.
So this is Shai Hills. We came on a hike, and we are up there. The beauty of nature, the beauty of Ghana, and the beauty of Africa.
Guys.
So this is what they use to cook. We are coming down.
Yes. Yes.
That's a good question. That's a good question.
Man them bad.
In the night,
When we go.
in the night when we were doing it,
Yeah, that's a lizard. But we have this home. They are always living with us home.
Oh, you don't have this at home?
Yeah. They're always in the houses. Yeah. They are not, these ones are normal to us at home. But they have these types, not easy to find them at home.
You don't call them gecko, do you?
Yeah, we call them lizards.
Lizard, not
Yeah.
gecko. Okay.
And then
Sorry,
the local name for it is called kotere.
Okay.
Kotere. Yeah.
Welcome to Ghana. So we are at the end of the tour, and we just came back from the hiking to the Mogo Hill. And let me just say that it was amazing, amazing, just beautiful views. So come to Ghana, guys. Come to Ghana, come to Shai Hills, and go on the hiking to the Mogo Hill. See the reserve, see the nature, and see the animals. Don't stay abroad. Come to Ghana. Come back home, guys. See you.
Come with Ku-Vite. Yeah, Adumara kwa. Namina dumda. Yeah, so so
Adumuna di asha ha.
no kwe.
Na ahoboko bi.
Bibia boko.
Ye de nyame ase.
Bibia boko.
Na nka mo bato ana.
Yeah, yeah, we kura ye kwa na ye pese nya picture of here.
Mo capture.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Guys, so this is the entrance of Shai Hills. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. And yeah, we've done our tour, so now we are just heading back. No, we are not going to the Boti waterfalls, right?
Yeah.
But this is the entrance. As you can see, it tells you, welcome to Shai Hills Resource Reserve. And it was an amazing experience. I would definitely say, when you come to Ghana, make your way towards Shai Hills to see all the beautiful animals, the reserve, the nature, and all the beautiful Ghana for you. Guys, so this is the entrance of Shai Hills. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. And yeah, we've done our tour, so now we are just heading back. No, we are not going to the Boti waterfalls, right?